watching Mother Earth go through one of her cycles. She is showing her power and the amount of extreme devastation that she can behold. It is absolutely unbelievable. Take another look before I head out. We're gonna go ahead and see. Everyone was in such good spirits. This was one of those things that's hard to describe. This is our only planet, and we have to take care of it. Because if she decides to fight back, there's nothing we can do. So we might as well take care of her the best we can.